Hello students, I'll be continuing with the indices with a more number of questions that were suggested to solve. Here the question is square root of a upon b is equal to b by a to the power 1 minus 3x. Now you know that a upon b can be written as to the power 1 by 2. Okay, now here you can see that here it is a upon b and in the right hand side it is b upon a. Now either of them can be converted as b by a or a by b. So here if at all you want to keep it positive, one of them will go as negative. Now if I change this as a upon b, what will happen? The exponent becomes negative now. Why? Because we have taken inverse or the reciprocal of the base which was inside the bracket. Okay, so what did I use here? A to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m, or you can write it in the form of fraction also, that is also form. So we had this a upon b to the power m is equal to, if b upon a you make, it becomes to the power minus m. Okay, this is the reason. Now as the bases are equal on both the sides, we can equate them. 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 3x. So if you take it to this side, half plus 1 is equal to 3x. Take the LCM, you will be having 3 by 2 is equal to 3x. 2 has to be multiplied, so 3 is equal to 6x. Now x is equal to 3 by 6, that is 1s and 2s. So x is equal to 1 by 2. This will be your final answer. This is your final answer. Okay, so the next question in the list, hope you have understood this one. Square root can be written here, you can take that reason also. Root of a is equal to a to the power 1 by 2. So this square root of ab is written as power 1 by 2, and then we have made those base fractions same, and then we have equated the exponent. Hope you have understood. Let me know if you have understood. Please, understood you can type in the comment box. After 27 I have 29th question to do. Okay, here we go. The question is 3 by 5 under root 3 by 5 under root 3 by 5 raised to the power x minus 1 is equal to 27 upon 125 to the power minus 1. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the question. Now again the same thing you can do, but this is 27 125. You are smart enough to understand now that 27 is cube of 3, 125 is cube of 5. Okay, now let us first turn them step by step, not together. 3 by 5 raised to the power 1 by 2 raised to the power x minus 1 equal to, here 3 upon 5 to the power 3. I told you that 27 is a cube of 3 and 5 is 125 is cube of 5. So both of them can be taken in a bracket in the fraction form, and you can write the common exponent. Now for this you will have minus 1. Now multiply it with now a to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. You can write this. Now if you multiply this, what can happen here? 3 by 5 raised to the power x minus 1 upon 2. Why? We are multiplying 1 by 2 with x minus 1. Now here 3 by 5 to the power minus 3. Why? 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Now you can see that the bases are same. You can equate the exponents. So this implies x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to negative 3. Transpose 2 to the other side. X minus 1 is minus 6. Now x is equal to, this will be positive, minus 6 plus 1. So x is equal to negative 5 will be the answer. Hope I should take it down and show you. Okay, this will be the final answer, x equal to negative 5. Here we have used only one law, that is a to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So rest of the things are very well known to you. When the bases are equal on either side of equal to sign, you can equate the exponents, and thus it is. Let's go to the question next. We'll take up 30th question. Though it is easy, a small part of it is to be solved. Okay. Now the question 30 says that 9 into 3 to the power x is equal to 27 to the power 2x minus 5. Now here 9 is nothing but 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power x equal to 27 is 3 to the power 3. Its exponent is 2x minus 5. Now when bases are same and they are in multiplication, we add the exponents. 3 to the power x plus 2 is equal to, now here it is getting multiplied. I'll write this one, the rules that we are using in either side. 6x minus 5 3 is 15. Now here what we used, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. This was for this. Now here it is a to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. These two laws we have used. Now again coming to the same part. Now the base on either side are equal, hence we are going to equate the exponents. X plus 2 is equal to 6x minus 15. Now what will happen for this? You have to get xx one side and numbers on the other side. 2 plus negative 15, if you get here it will be positive 15. 6x, here is positive x, if it comes here it becomes negative x. This is 17 is equal to 5x. Therefore x equal to 17 by 5, and this can be converted as 5 3s is 15, then 2 remains, it is 5. Hope you are able to see the question first. So this was the question. 9 into 3 to the power x and 27 to the power 2x minus 5. We have to make them to the base 3. So 9 can be written as 3 to the power 2. 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. Now here bases are same, they are in multiplication, hence you can add these two. Here exponents are added by using which law? A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Here a to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So 27 is represented as 3 to the power 3, and this is as it is, whatever was given. When we multiply we get this, and the answer is x is equal to 3 2 by 5. 3 2 by 5 is here. Okay. Next question, we are going for a 31st question, even that is also of the same type. We'll solve it here. Okay, question 31. Okay, we have here 2 to the power 5x minus 1 is equal to 4 into 2 to the power 3x plus 1. Now here 2 to the power 5x minus 1, will keep it as it is. 4 is nothing but 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3x plus 1. Now you can understand that in the previous question itself I had added the exponent of 3 like this. So 2 to the power 5x minus 1 as it is, 2 to the power 2 plus 3x plus 1. What did you use here? A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. What is m and n here? M is 2, n is 3x plus 1. In place of a we have 2. So as the bases are same, they are in multiplication form, hence we can add the exponents. Now the bases on both sides of equal to sign are equal, hence we can equate the exponents, that is 5x minus 1 is equal to 2 plus 3x plus 1. Well, now I would like to bring x here and take number that side. 5x minus 3x is equal to 2 plus 1, this was 3, minus 1 goes there, becomes plus 1. Now how much remains? 5 minus 3 is 2. 2x equal to 4, then x equal to 2. This is your answer. Therefore x equal to 2 is your answer. It is same to that of the question I solved in the earlier part. Now we'll go ahead with the application of that last law that we learnt, p to the power a, q to the power b and r to the power c is equal to p to the power x, p to the power y, q to the power y and r to the power z. That one. Okay, application of that is seen in this question. Please pay attention. Now as that reason is taught this year itself, you need to remember and apply. 32. Now the question is 5 to the power x minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equal to 225. Well, so you know 225 is a square of 15. We'll come to that. Okay, let this left hand side be as it is. X minus 3 into 3 to the power 2x minus 8 is equal to 15 square. Well, now 15 can be written as what? Hope you understood what I say. Now always try to get a clue from the LHS or RHS. Now left hand side is a product of 5 to the power something into 3 to the power something. 5 into 3 is what? 15. So this also can be written as 5 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. So now using P into Q into R, I am writing PQR raised to the power A, B, C is equal to P into Q into R again. Now X, Y, Z. Now you don't worry about the alphabets have changed in whatever in the textbook was given. That doesn't matter. Now P here and P here. What is the exponent? A. A and X will be equal, B and Y will be equal, C and Z will be equal. Like that we have to solve this. Therefore, X minus 3 is equal to 2, okay, and 2x minus 8 is equal to 2. Now here x is equal to 5, because 3 we took to the other side, it becomes plus. Now here 2x is equal to 2 plus 8, that is 10. Then x is equal to what? 10 by 2, that is x is equal to 5. So you have the same values. One you solve, you will get the value of x, that would be same. If you solve this part, then also you will get same. You solve this part, then also it will be same. Okay, so this is the application of this last rule or the law we learnt about the exponents. The last question that I will be taking up is question 34. Okay, if 2 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power y is equal to 6 to the power minus z, okay, then prove that in shortcut it is PT, 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 0. Okay, if you before I complete, I'd like to say, if at all you have any more queries, please let me know through the comment below this video. Okay, so now here you know all these things. This one, what we are supposed to do here, we are introducing a constant k, that is 2 to the power x equal to 3 to the power y is equal to, and 6 to the power minus z is equal to k. That means individually also it is k. So let me work in a horizontal way here. 2 to the power x equal to k. Okay, similarly 3 to the power y is equal to k, and then 6 to the power minus z is also equal to k. Now to get rid of, or to make this 2, 3, 6 free from the exponent, what we will do is we will apply the same operation on either side. Either side means in the left side as well as right side. What? I am introducing xth root of, what it is, xth root. Now I can write the same to this also, no, xth root of k. If you are introducing on both sides, it will be the, it will not affect the value of the given equation. Now here, why did I do this? Now think of this one. Whenever I said cube root of a is, it should be written as a to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Now here when you see, I'll explain first and then we'll keep writing. Now if you take 2x, now how will you write xth root? 1 by x. So when you take it as a to the power m raised to the power n, a to the power m into n, x and x will cancel, 2 will be free from any exponent, that is x or anything else. But at the same time k will have it. So we'll see what will happen. Okay, I'll solve them part by part in 3 slots of this way. You will understand. Now here 2 to the power x, whatever is there in the inside the under the root I am writing, then how will this be written? To the power 1 by x, that is equal to k to the power 1 by x, because again same, nth root, when we say nth root of a is a to the power 1 by n. That is the only explanation what we can give. So 2 is equal to k to the power 1 by x. Now here also, here y is there as the square exponent, we will introduce yth root. 3 to the power y is equal to k to the, yth root of k. Okay. Now what will happen here? Again same thing, 3 to the power y is there, and to the power what it is? 1 by y is equal to k to the power 1 by y. Okay. Now here again what will happen? Y will get cancelled, you will get 3. You can show the cancellation, there is no problem, k to the power 1 by y. Similarly this also will happen. 6 minus z is there. Don't think that that's minus z means are you supposed to introduce minus z this one? No. Zth root of 6 to the power minus z is equal to zth root of k. Okay, or this one can be taken as negative so that it will get cancelled. Okay, so here it will be 6 to the power minus z to the power minus z. So both of them will get cancelled. K to the power 1 by minus z. Okay, now here, sorry, this one should, it's my bad. 1 by z, negative 1 by z. So here is this z will get cancelled. Minus into minus is plus. So 6 is equal to k to the power 1 upon negative z. You will get this much. Hope this is understandable. If you want, I will write it again. As the inside exponent, the exponent of 6 is negative z. So we will take negative z in the under the square root zth square, negative zth square we are going to do, so that it will get cancelled with it. How, ma'am? Now 1 by z anyway you are going to write, but negative into negative will become positive. So this will be what? K to the power, not k to the power, minus z power k. Now here it will be 6 to the power minus z raised to the power 1 by minus z is equal to k to the power 1 upon negative z. Now here this z will get cancelled. So you will get 6 is equal to k to the power 1. You can either write here also minus 1 upon z. Now after this, I'll take it to the top and do it. Now we have 6 is equal to k to the power minus 1 by z. Now 6 can be written as 2 into 3 is equal to k to the power minus 1 by z. But 2 is what we have here? K to the power 1 by x. K to the power 1 by x into 3 is taken as what? Y. K to the power 1 by y is equal to k to the power 1 by z. Now k and k are the what? Same bases, and they are in multiplication on the left hand side. I am talking about the left hand side here. K to the power 1 by x into k to the power 1 by y. When they are in multiplication and their bases are same, we have to add the exponents. Is equal to k to the power minus 1 by z. You can write here a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So now k and k, this is the base and this is the base, both are same. So we will equate the exponents. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to minus 1 by z. Now this is negative 1 by z. You take this side, it will become positive. That is 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 0. This is what we were supposed to prove, and hence it has proved. So you can write hence proved. Okay. So this completes the number of questions that I had selected to solve as per few requests. If you have any more requests for solving more number of question or any other different kind of a question that you have come across, I can help you by solving. You can leave the comment in the comment box about the question that you have. Let me know whether you understood the explanation or not. Thank you, children.